Studying free in Germany is probably not new to you again because you've heard about how to study in Germany and how to study in Germany for free. So this video is just all about telling you how you can basically study in Germany for free and those universities in which you can actually apply to in Germany, in which their study program or their offers are actually free. So this is just something you actually needed. I'll just dive into it, and of course I don't need any introduction because as you already know, my name is Akere Ebun Oluwa. So let's go to the discussion of the day, which is how to study in Germany for free. In a couple of weeks, I was actually posting some scholarship programs. I think maybe the last video, my last video was about a fully funded scholarship for African students, in which we actually talk about the people from Cameroon, from Ghana, the people from Senegal, people from Niger, and the people from some African Ivory Coast. Yeah. So we talked about this application program, which was available for them. I'm sure most of you have already checked out that video. If you've not checked out the video, I'm going to be putting the video somewhere here or here, so you can basically actually look at it at the end of the video. So today I'm going to be listing as some university for you in which you can actually apply to in Germany, and they have study programs in English. Yeah, this university in which I'm going to be showing you, they have study programs in English. It's tuition free, like you won't be paying any tuition for their programs. This program will probably not be asking you to show proof of eye health. So in this program, also during your course of program, you can actually do some student job while you are working on this program. So these universities in which you are seeing right now on the screen, because there are too much of them, I think what I have is like 26 or 27 of them which you are seeing right now. These particular universities which you are seeing right there, this is an interesting one here. The University of Kaiserslautern. You can also see the Karlsruhe, the University KIT, the University of Karlsruhe. So these programs which you are seeing here, you can basically apply to any of these universities, and their study is free. And also in this program, you can actually study some programs in English. Note, not all programs in this university which you are seeing on your screen right now are in English, but they have some programs which are basically in English. So if you want to study in any of these university, just go to their websites. I won't be able to list the website for all the university, but if you go on Google, you see the universities and their programs in which you can actually apply to them. Of course, the summer semester is rounding up and the winter semester admissions are also open right now, so you can start sending in your application. In the next video, we are basically going to be talking about another thing on how to study in Germany for free. As you already know, you can study in Germany without a block account. You can study in Germany with a Verpflichtung clearance. Like if you have somebody who would like to do that for you, you can also study in Germany with some interesting scholarship. So how do you study in Germany for free? This is the information I just brought to you. For now, I remain my humble self, and if you like this content, if you like this video, this short information, don't forget to click on the like button and also the subscribe button so someone else gets to see this video, because this video is actually sponsored by the like button. So you just click on the like button, and you know what, I'll see you in the next one. For now, bye for now.